Hello guys, welcome back to SSA Performance.
So, the front bumper come off, the car is too quick.
So I've come outside because it's way too loud in that dyno room. So Sean's already set the computer up, set up everything on the dyno, the K20 core pack conversion kit. Sean had to set the base timing up on it. So when I get back to you, when it starts doing actual pulls and see what power it's going to make at 1.4 bar boost. I'm very excited for this because it's one of our SSA Performance manifolds and boost pipes and etc. and turbo obviously. But let's see what power this makes. First pull on the dyno session. Let's hear what it's going to make. It's made 184 brake horsepower, 0.7 bar boost. That's pretty good. Yeah, that's made really good boost pressure.
Just a little update, everyone. This thing was making 200 at a bar. Sean said he reckons it's a boost leak. Turned it up to 1.2 bar, made no difference. Put the smoke tester in, and I've left one of the clamps loose. So, yeah. Now it's been tightened. The boost leak's been fixed. So hopefully now this thing should make at least. You'd like to see at least 230, 240 at a bar. So hopefully now that that's fixed, we should see some boost power.
So with the boost leak issue fixed, now we're doing actual pull with boost. We should make some really good numbers now because we're seeing what 212 at 1 bar boost with a boost leak, which is. Well, there we go. We've got full boost now. That sounds insane. That sounds nice. That's sick. Horsepower. I'm just going to put some more timing for it. So it's only at 1 bar, it's going to make it 226 brake horsepower. So I'm going to put some more timing advance and time whatever it's going to do. I don't know what it does because I'm not a tuner, but we're going to make some more power than that at our bar boost, which is quite good for hybrid TL4 on a forged engine. But obviously when it turns the boost pressure up, it's going to be singing over 300 horsepower all day long, especially with this hybrid turbo. So that's at 1 bar boost, 229 brake horsepower. This is what torque it's making as well. 1.2 bar boost, which is really good power, which like you see, so it's 237 foot-pound of torque as well, so it's a nice safe torque. Also we're going to up that to 1.3 bar boost, and see what we make. Hopefully make some really good power.
This is carpet glue. This is what we use for either brand new tyres or tyres that haven't really got much grip.
We're making 277 brake horsepower. I've done a boost pressure yet, but it's making really good torque. So I'm outside now because it's way too loud in that dyno room. So Reece was explaining about the glue which put on the tyres to prevent wheel spin, because after like 250 brake they start wheel spinning on the dyno. So that bit of magic glue makes it grip for brand new tyres and obviously worn tyres, but obviously these are brand new tyres, so it makes it grip a lot better than without it. So it's making more horsepower. I think it's making an extra 15 horsepower just spraying that glue. So now Sean is at 1.3 bar boost, making 277 brake horsepower, which is really good boost pressure for what it is. Obviously I was hoping for a bit more horsepower, like 280, 290 at 1.3 bar boost, but Sean's probably going to do some magic and hopefully make more power at the same boost pressure. So we just dipped into the 290 brake area. It's making 291 brake horsepower. Really good. So this is going to be the last dyno pull now. Sean's put some more settings into it, tweaked it all up, and it's letting it cool down. It's not hot or anything, just letting it cool down. Do one more pull and hopefully we'll make it over 300 horsepower, because it is at 290 brake at the moment. But if it makes over 300 horsepower, the customer will be happy, I'll be happy, and Sean and Reece will be happy, because we just made a manifold, a full exhaust system, full boost pipes as well, with the intercooler and everything, so, and the turbo supplied by us. So we're going to be happy if it makes over 300 horsepower. So let's get back to this last pull. So it's the last pull now. Let's see what she makes. Let's go. You said 36, 306. You got the guess.
Bro! Someone said this car's got launch control.
You just mess with the launch control settings, obviously, which is not spicy as we want it to be. That's a little bit spicy, but we can turn up a little bit more. Because Ethan likes a bit of spice.
Yeah, no.
Do you think Ethan likes a bit more spicier than that?
Ethan likes, I know Ethan, he's a good friend.
Yeah.
He likes a bit of spice.
He likes a bit of spice. Put these on, Reece.
Oh, you know.
Put them on. Oh, we need to move the exhaust.
What do we think of launch control?
Is it loud, Dad? Is it loud? When I was back here earlier. Oh. When I was back. I'll try for the third time. When I was back here earlier, this thing was shooting big flames.
Forgot to record an outro on this video, so I hope you guys have liked this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.